Mastering the passive voice in future tense. Hello everyone, and welcome to our new video. Today we are diving deeper into the fascinating world of English grammar. We're going to explore an exciting topic: the passive voice in the future tense. Before we delve into the future tense, let's do a quick recap. The passive voice is used when the focus is on the action, not who or what is performing the action. Here's a simple example. Active: I will write the report. Focus is on I. Passive: the report will be written by me. Focus is on the report. Notice the shift in emphasis? That's the power of the passive voice. Now, let's look at the future tense. First, we have the simple future tense. When we want to make a sentence in the simple future tense passive, we use the structure will be plus past participle of the main verb. Active: she will paint a picture. Passive: a picture will be painted by her. The future continuous tense in passive voice is not commonly used because it often sounds awkward and overly complicated. However, it's good to know its structure, which is will be being plus past participle. Active: they will be using the computer all day. Passive: the computer will be being used by them all day. Lastly, we have the future perfect tense in passive voice. We use this when talking about an action that will be completed in the future before some other event. Its structure is will have been plus past participle. Active: he will have finished the project by next week. Passive: the project will have been finished by him by next week. There you have it, friends. We've covered the passive voice in future tense. Remember, while it's crucial to know these structures, it's equally important to understand where and when to use them effectively. Keep practicing and you'll master it in no time. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video informative and helpful. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.